Just a quick walk around video on the KOBELCO SK28 fleet number 3177. As you can see, it's a very tidy square machine. Front blade, probably 50% tracks. Full working work light set, hammer lines, quick hitch with a 300mm digging bucket. Jump up into the cab. Been prepped by the team, looks very well. This machine has a low 2,658 operating hours. With air conditioning, climate control, quick coupler, hydraulic quick coupler, and a coded immobilizer. Very clean, very square machine.